Engineers Inspector Summary video. We're here at Osborne in Newark. And this is the inside courtyard fire escapes, 3 of them. Very similar to fire escape number 1 and number 2 and number 3 and number 4 of the fire escape system. Pretty much the same issue. All original hardware on the entire 3 fire escapes, so no evidence of maintenance anywhere. We have the through bolts on all the supports. Every support, as you can see, has dragon tears. Every support has got rust coming down, indicating that water has gotten in there and has eaten. And that's probably one of the best shots straight up ahead there, that all that rust, that's an indicator that water's inside the wall and has done something to the supports. All the stringer clips need to be rebolted. All the major structural on the railings and the bottom platforms need to be rebolted. The bars and the rivets do not have to be rebolted. They just have to be verified that they're in good condition. 100% rebolting of all the treads or load test them. And we got all of them got ladders. They all need to be balanced. They all need a release arm put on them, and they need a support chain so that in case there's a failure of the cable, they don't, it doesn't come down and guillotine somebody in the head. You've got the fire escapes have all been kept painted, so the paint job is not needed. Just a structural is going to be needed on all these. And on all the platforms, just like the first, as shown in fire escape number 1 and number 2, all the platforms have rust on the connection. So when we were upstairs now looking at those, rust is the same as all the other ones. There's rust on every corner. All the heads and all the bolts are eaten up. So every square head bolt must be reinforced or replaced. Replacement is what has to happen there, because otherwise a load test will have to be performed on treads, supports, and platforms. On all these supports, the rivets at the ends, they all need to be changed so that the rivets on the ends are now new 3/8. And this now is part of the inside courtyard. The only question we're going to have is I believe there's supposed to be a gate system of some kind over here, because right now you're sort of trapped inside a courtyard, and we have to figure out how do you get out of here. So we may have to create some sort of step system so that when all these people come down and end here, how do they get up there and through a gate system get to a public way? Because right now they're trapped inside. So we could possibly go down this way and get a gate system here if there's a public way. Otherwise, we have to go down that way to get to a public way. So any questions? Fire Escape Engineers, Inspector Summary Video. It's Inspector Belize and Inspector Meneses here. Any questions? 800-649-3333.